Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 3 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. So now we will start chapter number 5, multiplication. Now we will start our exercise 5.9, question number B. Question number A we had done in our last classes. But before starting question number B, first we will see what you had learned in the last classes. So what you had learned in the last classes, first you had learned about the table. Which table? From 2 to 10. 2 से लेकर 10 तक. Then is the property of multiplication. How many property of multiplication? 4 property of multiplication. Then multiplication without regrouping. In this topic we had learned 2 or 3 digit number multiply with 1 digit number. Then multiplication with regrouping. In this topic we had learned 2 or 3 digit number multiply with 1 digit number. Then next is the multiplying 10, 20, 30 up to 90. So to multiply a number 10, 20, 30 up to 90, multiply number 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and put a 0 or right of the product. For example, suppose we are multiplying 7 into 20. So first we will multiply 7 into 2. 7 into 2 will get 14 and in 20 have a 1 0. So we will put 1 0 in the right side. Same in 100, 200 up to 900. To multiply a number by 100, 200 up to 900, multiply the given number by 1, 2 up to 9 and put 2 0 to the right of the product. Because in 100, 200, 300 up to 900 have a 2 0. For example, 8 into 200. So first we will multiply 8 into 2. 8 into 2, 16 and 16 and here 200 have a 2 0. So we will be put 2 0. So we will get answer 1600. Same in 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000. In this example have a 1000, 2000, 3000 have a 3 0. So first we will multiply which is number 1, 2, 3 up to 90 and put the 3 0 in the right side. Example 8 into 1000. In 1000 have a 3 0. First we will multiply 8 into 1. 8 into 1 how much? 8. And 1000 have a 3 0. So we will put 3 0 in the right side. Then next story sum. Then distinguishing property of multiplication over the addition. In this topic we had learned that for one example, look at there. In this example, how much row? 3 row and 1 row have a 9 dot. Okay, but in this example we are divided that 9 dot in the first in two groups. That in first group is the 2 dots and here 7 dots. एक रो में कितने डॉट है? 9 डॉट से हमने उसको डिवाइड किया है. ठीक है, एक इसमें 2 में डिवाइड किया है, एक इसमें 7 में डिवाइड किया है और कितने रो है? 3 है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 3 into 2 and here is the 7. So 3 into 7. 3 into 2 6 plus 3 into 7 21. After adding we will get 27. So यहाँ कितने पूरे डॉट्स है? 27. Then next is the 2 digit number. In this topic we had learned 2 digit number multiply with 2 digit number. Okay, and yesterday we had learned 3 digit number multiply with 2 digit number. And our exercise question number A we had done in last classes. Now we will start question number B. What is the question number B? वर्क आउट दिस इन यूर एक्सरसाइज बुक. ये आपको कहाँ लिखना है? आपके नोटबुक में लिखना है. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1? 249 multiply by 29. So we will start our question number 1. 249 multiply 29. 249 multiply 29. That 9 is the place of ones, 4 is the place of tens, and 2 is the place of 100. Okay, 9 is the place of 1, 4 is the place of tens, and 2 is the place of 100. That 9 is the place of ones and 2 is the place of 10. Now we'll start multiplication. Okay, so now 9 into 9, how much? 81. So 1 is riding in one place and 8 is carry on the 10 place. Now 9 into 4, 9 into 4, 36, and 36 plus 8, 44. So we are writing 4 in the 10 place and 4 is carry on the 100 place. Okay, now 9 into 2, 18, and 18 plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22. Okay, now that 2 is the place of टेंस. ये 2 कहाँ पे है? 10 प्लेस पे है, तो हम यहाँ पे 1 प्लेस पे हम 0 पुट कर देंगे. नाउ 2 इंटू 9, 18, 1 इज कैरी. देन 2 इंटू 4, 8, 8 प्लस 1, 9, and 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay, now we'll do addition. 1 plus 0, 1, 4 plus 8, 12, so 1 is carry. 1 plus 2, 3, and 3 plus 9, 12, so 1 is carry. 1 plus 2, 3, and 3 plus 4, 7, so we will get answer 7221. So look at there. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया है, ये जो नंबर है इसको हमने 9 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है. 249 को मल्टीप्लाई किया है 9 के साथ. नाउ दैट 2 मीन्स दैट 2 को हम ऐसे लिखते हैं 20 प्लस 9, क्योंकि ये 2 जो है ये कौन से प्लेस पे है? 10 प्लेस है. सो 249 इंटू 20. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, ये दोनों को ऐड किया. ये दोनों को हमने क्या किया है? ऐड किया. तो 249 इंटू 29 इक्वल टू 249 into 9, that is the plus sign, then 249 into 20. Okay, now example number 2. 317 multiply 25. 317 multiply 25. That 7 is the place of ones, 1 is the place of tens, and 3 is the place of 100. 5 is the place of 1 and 2 is the place of 10. Now we start multiplication. 5 into 7, 35. 3 is the carry. 5 into 1, how much? 5. 5 plus 3, 8. And 5 into 3, 15. So we are writing 15. Now we will start at 2. 2 means that 2 is the place of 10. So we will put 0 on the 1 place. 2 into 7. How much? 14. So 4 is writing here and 1 is carry. Okay. Now 2 into 1, 2, and 2 plus 1, 3. And 2 into 3, 6. Now we will do addition. अब ऐड करेंगे. 5 plus 0, 5, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 is carry. 1 plus 5, 6, and 6 plus 3, 9, and 1 plus 6, 7. So we will get answer 7925. Here also like that we are doing same. First 317 multiply by 5, then 317 multiply by 20, because that 2 is the place of tens. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? 0. Then 317 multiply by 25 equal to 317 multiply by 5 प्लस ये दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे. यहाँ पे जैसे आंसर को ऐड किया है वहाँ पे ऐड करें. 317 multiply by 20. Now example number 3. 438 multiplied by 22. 438 multiplied by 22. That 8 is the place of ones, 3 is the place of tens, and 4 is the place of 100. 2 is the place of ones, 2 is the place of tens. Now we will start multiplication. 2 into 8, 16. So 6 is writing in the 1 place, 1 is carry on the 10 place. Now 2 into 3, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7. 2 into 4, 8. Now we start that 2 means this is the place of tens. तो 1 place पे हम क्या करेंगे, 0 पुट करेंगे. 2 into 8, 16. 1 is the carry. 2 into 3, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7, and 2 into 4, 8. So we will put 8. Now we will do addition. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 6, 13. 1 is the carry. 3 is writing here. 1 plus 8, 9, and 9 plus 7, 16. So 1 is the carry, and 1 plus 8, 9. So we will get answer 9636. Here same. फर्स्ट हमने क्या किया है, 2 को मल्टीप्लाई किया है. 438 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. ओके, नाउ दैट 2 इज द प्लेस ऑफ टेंस. सो हमने क्या किया है, यहाँ पे 0 लिया है क्योंकि यहाँ 20 प्लस 2 मतलब 22. देन 438 इंटू 22 इक्वल टू 438 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 प्लस 438 इंटू 20. So we will get answer 9636. Then now example number 4, 5, 6, 7. Example number 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the similar. So this is homework. Now I am solving here example number 8. यहाँ पे मैं एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8 सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4, 5, 6 and 7. दिस इज द होमवर्क फॉर यू. नाउ लुक एट इट. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8. 226 multiplied by 30. 226 multiplied by 30. 6 is the place of ones, 2 is the place of tens, and 2 is the place of 100. That 0 is the place of ones, 3 is the place of tens. Now look at there. First is the 0. Suppose हमने 0 के साथ कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलता है, आंसर 0. अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, suppose we are multiply 0 in any number, we will get answer 0. So look at there. 0 into 6, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 0 into 2, 0. So we will get weight 0, 0. Okay. Then we will start the 3. That 3 is the place of 10. So we will put 0 on the 1 place. Now 3 into 6, 18. So 8 is writing in the 10 place and 1 is the carry on 100 place. Now 3 into 2, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7. Now 3 into 2, 6. Now we will do addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 7, 7, and 6. So we will get answer 6780. ओके, हमें आंसर कितना मिला है, 6780. सो लुक एट हियर. 226 multiplied by 0, then 226 multiplied by 30. Okay, then 226 multiplied by 30 equal to 226 multiplied 0 plus 226 multiplied by 30. Okay, I hope all of you understood nicely. What is the homework? Homework Example number 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the homework for you. And this is writing your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.